Hello aspirants, I welcome you all to Clear Karo SSB. I hope you are keeping a good health and will be preparing for your upcoming SSBs. Today's topic will be Paramveer Chakra. We will be discussing the rank, name and the unit of PVC recipients, and we will also discuss the war or battle for which they received PVC. So let's begin. The PVC has been awarded 21 times, of which 14 were awarded posthumously and 16 arose from action in Indo-Pakistani conflict. Of the 21 awardees, 20 have been from the Indian Army and 1 has been from the Indian Air Force. The first PVC was awarded to Major Somnath Sharma. He was from Kumaon Regiment and he received that PVC for Battle of Budgam 1947. Nayak Jadu Nath Singh, he was from Rajput Regiment and gave his services during Indo-Pak War 1947. Second Lieutenant Rama Raghoba Rane, he was from Bombay Sappers and gave his services during Indo-Pak War 1947. And most interesting thing is, he was the first person who got Paramveer Chakra when he was alive. Company Havaldar Major Piru Singh Shekhawat, he was from Rajputana Rifles and gave his services during Indo-Pak War 1947. Lance Nayak Karam Singh, he was from Sikh Regiment and gave his services during Indo-Pak War 1947 and was second person who received Paramveer Chakra when he was alive. Captain Guru Bachan Singh Salaria, 1 Gorkha Rifle. He gave his services during Congo crisis in 1961. Major Dhan Singh Thapa. He was the third person to receive it when he was alive and he was from 8th Gorkha Rifles and performed well and gave his services during Indo-China War 1962. Subedar Joginder Singh Sahan, he was from Sikh Regiment and gave his services during Indo-China War 1962. Major Saitansh Singh, he was from Kumaon Regiment and gave his services during Indo-China War 1962. Company Quartermaster Havaldar Abdul Hamid, he was from the Grenadiers and gave his services during Battle of Asal in 1965. Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Burjo Ridge Tarapore, he was from Poona Horse and gave his services during Battle of Chavinda 1965. Lance Nayak Albert Ikka, Brigade of the Guards, he gave his services during Battle of Hilli 1971. Flying Officer Nirmal Jeet Singh Sekhon, he was the only officer apart from Indian Army to receive a PVC. He is from Air Force. Number 18 Squadron, Indian Air Force. He gave his services in Indo-Pak War 1971. Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, he was from the Poona Horse. He gave his services during Battle of Basantar 1971. Major Hoshiar Singh was the fourth person to receive when he was alive. He was from the Grenadiers. He also gave his services in Battle of Basantar in 1971. Nayab Subedar Bana Singh, he was from Jackley Infantry and was fifth person to receive the PVC when he was alive. He gave his services in Operation Rajiv. Major Ramaswamy Parameshwaram, he was from Mahar Regiment. He gave his services during Operation Pawan in 1987. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, 11 Gorkha Rifles, Operation Vijay in 1999. Grenadier Yogender Singh Yadav, he is from the Grenadiers and gave his services during Battle of Tiger Hill, Kargil War 1999, and he's the sixth person who is alive and has been awarded with Paramveer Chakra. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar, he is from Jack Rifles, and he also gave his service during the Kargil War, and he is the 7th person to receive the Paramveer Chakra when he is alive, and he is still serving in Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Last person to receive the Paramveer Chakra was well known by everyone. He was Captain Vikram Batra. He was also from Jack Riff and gave his services during Kargil War, Operation Vijay 1999. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the list of officers, JCOs, NCOs and other ranks who received PVC till date. I hope this video will be helpful for your upcoming SSB, and I hope very good luck and all the best to all the aspirants. May you get success this time. All the best. Please subscribe to the channel, it's totally free, and like the video if you really like the content, and comment below what you want to see or what information do you want. Our team is always ready to make videos and content for upcoming defense aspirants. Kindly let us know and we'll be there for you.